Hello everyone, this is Priyanka here and welcome to the Nourish Your English. And today I'm here to give you some idioms that must help you to improve your communication. I'm sure you must want to improve your communication and you want to make it more impactful, right? So you must have seen there are a lot of people who use some idioms and phrases that really help them to improve their confidence as well as it really look fancy. So I am here again to give you some idioms and I'm sure you can use it in every conversation. So please stick with me till the end and watch this video. This is for you only. So my first idioms is ins and out. It means अगर आपको उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी है तो आप बोल सकते हैं she knows the ins and out of running the business. Zone out. It means खो जाना. आप कहीं बैठे हो लेकिन आप कहीं और खो गए हो. Let's learn by example. You can say, I zone out during the meeting and I missed an important point. Hold back. It means to stop you something by doing something. आप कभी नर्वस हो या किसी डर की वजह से अगर आप चीज़ों से थोड़े पीछे हो जाते हो, here you can use hold back. Let's learn by example. She held back. I know she can speak very fluent, but because she was nervous, that's why she held back. Run out means khatam ho jana. Let's learn by example. We have run out of sugar, so can you order one more please?